Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand one more barcode. Okay, this is a different kind of barcode. So we can have the multiple kind of barcodes. We can check online. We have the different like GS1 website, different standards, different barcodes. So this is the one of the barcode, and here I am going to explain you about the international article number or European article number. Both are similar, so in the short form we call EAN, international article number or European article number. So what this EAN or European article number or international article number contains, the property which I am going to show you. It contains product, description of the product, means suppose we have the bearing, okay, the size or the description, the type of bearing, single Z, more ball bearing, roll bearing, and more description. And if we have the food product, for an example, different kind of food products in the container or like normal food product, we have the milk packets more like. So it contains best before date, or we call this the shelf life expiration date, okay. And this EAN number contains properties of the product such as shelf life expiration date, AUM, alternate unit of measure, actual quantity as we require. So if we are performing the inbound process, picking process, we scan, right, the product or handling unit. So it also contains actual quantity as we require. So it requires country, it contains country, manufacturer, company code, it contains product item code, check digits, last digits, okay, mathematical calculation if the barcode is correct or not. So suppose this kind of barcode, here we have the country code, okay, 890, okay, this is the production code, and 12345 product code, check digit, okay. So these are the common barcodes which we have, and it holds the different kind of properties. So in this example, this is the basic, okay, I am from Learn with Mans. This is the basic detail of the European article number and international article number. So here we have the table MEAN, MARM or SCWM. It holds product, handling unit, linkage details, product EAN number detail we can see here, and also in these tables. So this is the property of the EAN number, okay, international or European article number or international article number. Thank you guys, see you again.